What's up, y'all? I'm getting ready to put some Italian sausages in the air fryer, and these are the hot ones, but you don't have to use the hot ones. You can use any kind you want as long as it's completely raw. Got my air fryer right here. Let's get started. So here's how they look once I open them up. Alright, so I just cut a few slits in each one of them. Now you don't have to dig deep or nothing like that. Just take a knife and just lightly, you know, just cut. And this is just gonna let some of that excess air out of there. Okay, so just spray your air fryer basket. Now we're gonna get these in. Alright, so let's get them in there. Don't have to be perfect. You can fix them once you get them all in. Alright, so I got them in. Got them all lined up. I'm going to take a little bit more cooking spray and spray the top. Alright, load them up. So I'm going to put this one on, let's see, temperature. I'm going to put it on 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Keep in mind that these are completely raw, y'all. Okay, we got 7 minutes left. This is what we got so far, y'all. I'm gonna turn these over and I'll be back. I turned them over. Now I'm gonna let them finish up the rest of the way. Okay. Seven minutes left. All right. Look, y'all. These are ready. So guess what, y'all? That's it. These are ready. 20 minutes, 350 degrees. At this point, that's all you gotta do. Put it between a bun. Put some mustard on it, whatever you want. But I'm gonna show you how I do mine. Alright, so here's how the inside looks. For those of y'all who want to know. It's all the way cooked. Okay, you can leave your Italian sausage as is, or you can put some mustard on it. And I made some caramelized onions earlier, so I'm just gonna put those on top like that. I got some cherry tomatoes that I cut up. A little bit of green onion for some freshness. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see y'all on the next one.